Hello everybody, and thank you so much for joining this brand new training. So in this training we are going to go through like what is Builderall and how does it work, and you can decide if Builderall is for you. But before we get started, I just want to tell you that I have been um, running my online business for about 2 years now. And before I started using Builderall, I was using all kinds of different software, and all of these different kind of software cost me like at least $200 a month. So I had like email marketing, I had my website, I had my landing page builder, I had my email opt-in software. So all these things cost me money, and it was getting really costly for me. So I decided to like look online if there is a better software out there, and I actually stumbled on a YouTube video that showed me Builderall, and I have been using a Builderall ever since. So what Builderall is Builderall is like all-in tool that includes all the software that you need to use and have in order to have a successful online business. So you have to have website and blog and email marketing and all this stuff, and Builderall does it all. Like you can see, in my opinion, the best thing about Builderall is that it's so fast. Like you can see Google results here. So, excuse me. So, um, when I was running my WordPress website, I always got like 20 out of 100, and my website was always so slow. It always ranked uh, badly on Google because my site was so slow. And I didn't. I had a great team. I even bought a team for like I actually bought two teams for like they cost me like $80. So I was using a lot of money to stupid stuff because I just I couldn't figure out like how to get my website to load fast, because in today's world you have to have a fast website, you have to have mobile optimized website, and believe it or not, Builderall does that too automatically. So you don't have to worry about website speed because you have already 99 out of 100 website speed. That means that your website will load in like 1 second, and that is really good. If you're trying to build a blog, or you are, whatever you are doing, you really need to have fast website, and website will skyrocket your conversions. So that is the first thing that I want to tell you about Builderall. And yeah, also Builderall has now 14 days trial. So when I was starting, they only had 7-day trial, but now they have 14 days free trial, and I will leave link down below for the 14 days trial. But yeah, let's get on with training. So what Builderall is just what I explained. It's a tool that has every tool that you have to use and have in order to run a successful online business. So it has website builder, so you can build beautiful websites. They even have videos of everything, like here. You can build a website in just like 30 minutes, which is like amazing. Like, look how professional this website looks. You can build websites easily. Then you can create sales funnels easily. Like, you can create one-click upsells, downsells, order pumps, whatever. Everything's here. So but ClickFunnels costs like $97 a month, and Builderall costs only $29 a month, and you will also get 3 free domains. So this is like incredibly irresistible offer because Builderall has it all, and it's also extremely cheap. I love Builderall. And you can also build unlimited membership areas. So for example, I believe the ClickFunnels membership areas cost like it is like 300 bucks a month to create a membership area. In Builderall you can create it for 29 bucks a month. So yeah, all your websites and everything, landing pages, everything is mobile optimized. You can even create blog on Builderall, which helps you, which is really great idea, because your website will be incredibly fast. If you're selling any products, super checkout, so you can sell your products, either one-time payment or recurring payments, whatever. You can participate in Builderall's affiliate program, which is amazing. Like I said, you can do bump sales, upsells, downsells, whatever. You have countdown timers that you can do. You can do split testing on your website or blending pages, whatever you want. The pages load really fast, like 1 second. You have smart pop-ups that you can use. You can share your funnels that you create. You don't have to like in if you have used WordPress to create website, you have to download all these type of plugins. And like when I was running my WordPress website, my plugins cost me like at least 40 bucks a month. But this Builderall is amazing because you don't have to download any external plugins. Everything's in here. All that you need to run a successful online business, everything's here. You can do full SEO on page optimization. You even get the SSL certificate for free. When I was buying my domains on Namecheap, SSL cost me like 10 bucks at least. So you will get that for free, and 3 free domains. You can do email marketing even. Like, this is so amazing. Before Builderall, I was using Aweber, which cost me like over 20 bucks a month. Here you can get email marketing for 29 bucks, and all these other amazing software. You can do, when you're doing your email marketing, you can build autoresponders, just like you drag and drop style, which is really easy. You can use email scarcity timers. You can build beautiful emails. You even have a website daily backup. So when I was using WordPress for my blog, I used what was it called? Something like VP. I don't remember, but it cost me $2 a month to fully back up my site daily. And here you get it for free. You even have DDoS attack prevention. You can do SMS messaging, which is huge. You can do messenger like chatbots, like on ManyChat, but you will get it here for free. ManyChat costs like ManyChat is it gets really expensive if you have a lot of subscribers on your messenger, but here you will get it for free. If you have a WordPress website, you can integrate it with Builderall to create landing pages. But I don't know, why would you have a WordPress site if you can create your website on Builderall? But if you have already a website on WordPress, then you can just use Builderall for email marketing and landing pages. For examples, you can create landing pages and integrate them with to your WordPress site. You can create your like whatever you want. Then you have all these other amazing software. You can build webinars to build webinars and host them. It costs like at least 300 bucks a month. The software here, you will get it free. Like, you can already see that the Builderall's value is amazing. This will save you a lot of money, a lot of time. Like, this is just so valuable for all people, for everyone who wants to run their business successfully online. So yeah, decide if you want to try Builderall. I highly recommend you to even like just try it out. It's really simple. They have really good tutorials. They have 24/7 chat where you can ask questions, like, and whatever, you know, you should ask questions if you have any problems, because they will help you. Their support is amazing. So yeah, I will leave link down below, so please check out Builderall, and thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye.